Alright, welcome to the first tutorial. In this video we're going to be looking at the first arpeggio of the piece, and it is in C major. So let's take a look at the chord chart real quickly. As you can see here on the root note we have C, which we're going to be playing with our left index finger, and then diagonally across up to E with our left middle finger, and then over here we're going to be playing the top three arpeggio notes. G with our thumb right here, C with our middle finger, and E with our index finger. Okay, so this is the chord shape. And let's just put the chart away and take a look at it on our push. So like I said, we're starting off on C, our root note right here with our index finger, diagonally across to E. And there we already have the first two notes of our arpeggio that will be held down in this particular chord. So then we go over across to G, which is right here just below C. We play that with our thumb on our right hand. Then we place our right middle finger on C, the root note right here, and up here diagonally across on E, we're playing this with our index finger. So let's just take a look at the shape right here with the lights. That's the chord, and now let's take a look at how to play the arpeggio. So like I say, the first two notes are here, and these are the ones that are going to be held down, and then we play the top three notes just after that, like this. So if I do that as it's played in the piece, it looks like this. And there you have it. That's the first chord of our piece of music.